In this video, I'm going to show you how to get YouTube working on your Ptcl BB Smart TV box. Since Ptcl restricts third-party apps, we'll use a simple USB sideloading method to install an Android TV-friendly YouTube alternative. To start, find and download an APK file like Smart YouTube TV or YouTube for Android TV on your computer from a trusted source. Next, copy the APK to a USB drive. Plug the USB into your Ptcl box. Install a file manager if you don't have one. File Manager Pro is perfect for browsing and installing from USB. Once the file manager is installed, open it, locate the APK on your USB, and follow the on-screen prompts to install it. If prompted, enable Unknown Sources in your settings. After installation, look for the new app under More Apps in the Ptcl launcher. Open it and enjoy YouTube optimized for your TV. Note: firmware updates from Ptcl may block sideloaded apps. If your box updates and the app disappears, you might need to repeat these steps. If this video helped you get YouTube working on your Ptcl Smart TV, please like and subscribe for more streaming hacks. Thanks for watching.